Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. So right now we're taking doing an update on this construction right here in the middle of Crossroads, Kingston, Jamaica. This is currently Retirement Crescent right here in Crossroads, and this is the construction. So I did a first video on it. I'll put that in the link and in the comments so that you guys can see where this property is coming from. It seems to be an indoor shopping center with at least 3 floors. So right over there was an empty lot before. So they have developed it, and I think it was a timely and a well-needed development as well. We still have another empty lot beside it. So I guess in the future we'll see some development coming here. But you know the drill, guys. If you're new to the channel, if you watched a few videos, a few reviews and haven't yet subscribed, remember to subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. You know, join the Rush family, Rush Raymore Reviews family, so you get regular updates like this. Remember to turn on your post notification bell, so once I do a new upload you're notified. Remember to leave your comments, guys. This is very colorful with yellow, red, green. So it's a colorful painting. I don't know what you think about the color scheme, the design, the use of space and everything. I'm not sure as yet if they went underground with underground parking. But we see a lot of plazas and developments doing that now to better utilize the square footage. Let me know your thoughts. Remember to like the video as well. So I'm standing on the Brentford Mall right here in Crossroad, a very older mall. Some of the shops are like Gallery City Trading. We have auto parts. We have boutique, barber, trophy, restaurant, bar, optical solution, clothes store, luxury and building. So that's the Brentford Mall right here on Retirement Crescent, which is also bordered by Studio One Boulevard. Let's take a walk up the road, show you guys a little bit more around the area and on this new development as well. So stay tuned for that, guys. Alright, so I'm not sure of the name of this plaza as yet, but I guess in due time we'll know. Alright, so we're on a nearby plaza which has Sampers supermarket. So we'll be taking some shots from this nearby plaza. Alright, so that's the new development that we're checking out today. Right here in Crossroad, Kingston. Retirement Crescent. New commercial development on the block. And then we have Studio One Boulevard here and Brentford Mall over this side. So again, guys, leave your thoughts. Let me know what you think. Again, another open lot beside it, which is being used for extra parking for this shopping complex. So in Kingston there's still a lot of potential for development here and there, but I guess slowly as time go by we'll see these new developments popping up. Let's go around. So I'm on the second floor for this plaza. So this is a photography studio. Got Chris Collard. Colliard, yeah. We have Torpedo Loan. Doctor's office, pharmacy. And then we have Allen Grill down here. And again, this is the center of center of Crossroad. Very central, very commercial. So again, guys, leave your comments and remember to subscribe. We're trying to get to 10,000 subscribers before the end of June. Let's see how best we can make that a reality. And every like helps, every comment helps, every share helps, and every subscription helps as well. You can tell a friend, a co-worker, if they run somebody that has YouTube and data or Wi-Fi, just borrow their phone and just subscribe. You know, it takes each and every one of us to make it happen. Remember to go over my Instagram page as well, Raymore Reviews-Jamaica. Follow me on Instagram so you can get different updates, upcoming videos, and that sort of stuff. Alright, let's continue on the plaza to see what else is here. So we know the supermarket is downstairs, which is Sampers. So this is a doctor's office. Some more loans. Funeral service, health food store. Alright guys, so we have some music playing, so I may have to go silent. So we seem to have some empty shops. Alright guys, so new development. Remember to like, remember to comment, and remember to share. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on another video.